I'm doing okay. What are you do? Her?
I am waiting, my friend. What do you do?
Uh, I am student of professional high school, Buangan Pekanbaru. Right? How about you?
Wow, are you friend? Friends, some new school. Good, good, my friend.
Oh, Nick, nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you too.